Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to view and download tax forms in Gusto. So do you need copies of your tax forms for an audit, your accountant, or just for your peace of mind? Gusto stores all your tax documents in one place, and downloading them is super simple. So let's walk through how to access everything that you need. Step one, go to the tax and compliance section. So from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on taxes and compliance in the left hand menu. Then you want to select filings or documents, depending of course on your layout. Now this is where Gusto keeps all tax forms, federal, state, and local tax forms. Step two, you want to browse filed forms by year or type. Now you're going to see a list of all your filed tax forms, including Form 941, Form 940, 1099s, and whatever. You're going to see all that there, and you can also see state and local filings all there. Now use filter to sort out by year, by form types, or by filing status, just to quickly navigate what you need. Step 3, view and download the forms. So once you find the forms that you're looking for, click it to open a PDF preview. Now from there, you can download the forms to your device, or you can print it for physical records, as well as to save it for sharing with your accountants or uploading to bookkeeping software. Now Gusto also logs the filing date and status, that is the filed, pending, or corrected status, which is useful for audits and compliances. Step 4, access forms for employees or contractors. Now if you need individual W-2s or 1099s, just go to people, team members, and then select the employee or contractor. Then you're going to scroll to the document section to find their tax forms. Now you can download these one by one or in bulk at the year end. And that's it. Whether it's tax season or just time for a financial checkup, Gusto makes finding and downloading tax forms a breeze. Now everything's organized, accessible, and stored securely in one place. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.